I struggled with my own mental health growing up as a kid. Sometimes I would get in depressive waves and I wouldn't know why or how to deal with it. And so instead of giving up and letting it overcome me, I decided to get really curious and learn different techniques and methods and information that I can utilize to prevent chronic stress from majorly affecting me. And my mission is to inspire self-empowerment and to provide you guys the tools for nervous system regulation. The words that you speak to yourself and that you speak to other people are definitely having an effect on you on an atomic level. The two primary branches are the parasympathetic nervous system and the sympathetic nervous system. So what does chronic stress do to your brain? It has so many parts to it that are affected by chronic stress, but we're going to talk about the three main parts today: the amygdala, the hippocampus, and the prefrontal cortex. But with everything that we're going to learn today, the chronic stress effects are going to decrease or be prevented. Section 2, breathwork. The vagus nerve is our longest nerve in the body. Either by you using these breath techniques every day or by exercising, playing sports, going on a hike, things like that, you're strengthening and you're exercising and you are creating a higher vagal tone. So, just like you go to work out and strengthen your muscles, you can also strengthen your vagal tone. So we're going to practice our first technique. This is called the box breath. This breath is perfect for right before taking a test, right before a big game or a performance, if you're a theater person. Any just like general stressful situations, this is a great breath to utilize. So what happens when you meditate regularly? So just 5 minutes a day for 8 weeks, you're going to see the difference in the brain structure on MRI scans, which is kind of significant. People who stretch consistently or do yoga consistently report 30% less stress. They're stronger and flexible. They have better sleep. They have increased recovery time, especially for athletes or performers. Some 5 simple stretches that you can do anywhere. These cards go over the breathing techniques, so if you want to take this with you, you can utilize these in your everyday life for different situations. Thank you guys so much for coming in. I appreciate it.